Hello, happy Vlogmas. Oh, my hair looks terrible. Hang on. Okay. Honestly, it just needs to be washed and like actually done, but like I'm not. It's so like long and like happy Vlogmas. I'm so excited for Vlogmas, and I'm doing it a little differently than like traditional Vlogmas that other people do. I have my own ideas about how I want to do Vlogmas, and I'm just excited. So today I am cleaning my house, getting ready to decorate for Christmas, because right now it's just one huge disaster. So first of all, I think I'll deal with this big pile of clothing. I was getting really tired of doing that, so I'm switching tasks, and now I'm going to do the laundry. Okay, I physically cannot stand my hair. Now it's going in a ponytail. It's in trouble now. Now I look like 4th grader. So the bathrooms are good. The guest room basically just needs vacuuming. Okay, I finally finished like picking up my room. Well, mine and my husband's room. So everything in the house is like clean or like straightened. I don't know. I didn't do like cleaning besides vacuuming and a little dusting. But anyways, I thought I would take the time to show you guys the fall decor, and also the kitchen's not clean at all. So like forget about that. But everything else is clean, and I'm either gonna do the kitchen later or Grayson's gonna do it. I don't know. Another day of me not knowing how to take care of my hair because it's too long, and I don't know. But at this point, remember when I said I need to clean the kitchen? Still need to clean the kitchen. So I'm gonna clean the kitchen. I think it's just a cleaning vlog and me complaining about my hair, because I don't know what to do with it. It's so annoying. It feels like a freaking spider web. I am wearing Snoopy sweatpants right now, and you can't tell me that I am not winning. I'm lighting a new candle. Georgia Peach Antique Candle Co. Sponsor me. I spend thousands. I'm just kidding. I do not spend thousands on your website, but I would. I am allergic to aloe vera. the plant, the cactus, all of it. And, wow. No! It went out. What is that? Me trying to converse. I am allergic to aloe vera. And last night, I got this new face stuff, and it went out again. What am I doing wrong? I hope that this candle wax wick is okay. And anyways, I got this new face stuff and it had aloe in it. Light, really good, light good. Don't go out. Oh, was I blowing it out when I was blowing this out? Wait a second, I have to go back and watch.
Aloe vera, the plant, the cactus, all of it. And I got this new face stuff, and don't go out. Oh, was I blowing it out when I was blowing this out?
This is why I should vlog. I kid you not. I do such funny things. Watching it back. It's literally me. It's so funny. Okay, now that I'm done laughing about how funny that was and how stupid I feel. Okay, two things. I'm gonna clean the kitchen. There's like a bunch of dirty dishes and a bunch of clean ones to put away. Those are all clean. But two things. We got a gingerbread house. Grayson's headed home from work. My morning work got canceled for this morning, and so I think we're gonna make a gingerbread house today, which I'm really excited about. Also, I was gonna tell you guys how Vlogmas was working because I said I was doing it differently. So right now, it is November 4th. However, I'm thinking I can just have like 25 days of vlogs between 2 months, and then that way it's like actually like possible, because I do work full-time, more than full-time. Let's do these dishes, let's clean, let's get stuff done so that we can decorate for Christmas. Let's go. So that's the end of Vlogmas Day 1. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 2. We're decorating a gingerbread house. So yeah.